Holy crap, what is that? I hope that wasn't their lunch. I hope they were done. I hope they were done eating. Where do people go? The ones that are sitting there. Oh, the food's gone. There's what? Glasses?
Yeah, by number.
Oh, I see them. Stupid birds. You didn't bring your BB gun? Damn, they eat fast. They're like scavengers. Hey, what even happened to the bag? The bag is gone. Oh, it's over there. I was gonna say, what the heck? They ate the bag? Hey, their beaks look super sharp too.